everybody. We are going to be making chicken pesto flatbreads for dinner tonight. So, first thing I've got is I have some chicken breasts that are frozen that I'm going to heat up in the oven. And then I'm going to start making my pesto. So, I have pesto leaves. I also have a basil plant upstairs. Pesto leaves, oh my god. Basil leaves. I also have a basil plant upstairs that I'm going to go grab some leaves from. And then we're going to be using lots and lots of olive oil. And we're going to be using lemon and garlic to make our pesto. We'll see how it turns out. So I'll check in with you in a second. Alright, so I've got my basil in my food processor. I'm going to use some minced garlic. You just kind of do what your soul tells you feels right about garlic. I really like garlic, so we're going to put a lot of that in there. And we're also going to do a little bit of lemon juice. Let's get this guy. So, I remember watching like Julia Child and like Jacques Pepin when I was little. They always like squeeze their lemons over their hands so they could, I guess, catch the seeds, but I'm not very good at that, so there might be some seeds in there. We don't know, it'll be a surprise. Oh, there's one. Hijack. Alright, so that's good enough for now. Pesto is one of those things that you kind of have to just like guess and check a little bit. And then I've got yummy some olive oil. And it's a good, like, I would say like a quarter cup, but like I said, it's kind of like a guess and check. Okay, so we're gonna start to pulse this. Let's see here. Oh yeah. All right. So we're gonna use that as our sauce. Let's try some of this. That's pretty good. That will be our sauce for our flatbreads. And we're actually going to be using these. I put these in the freezer the other day, but they're Forenza. Nope. Don't listen to me. They are stone fire flatbreads, and you can heat them up from frozen. So we're gonna do one for me, one for Dom. I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese on mine. He's dairy free, so sorry you don't get any. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of like cherry tomatoes as well. So I will check back in with you guys when the chicken is done, and then we'll start assembling these flatbreads. Alright, so the other thing we're gonna make is dairy-free homemade Caesar salad. I already made a bunch of Caesar dressing with mayo and Dijon and anchovy paste and garlic and lemon. It's really good, but I want some homemade croutons. So I have this loaf of sourdough bread, and it is, I think, about 3 days old. I've been letting it kind of just like crisp up. So we're gonna cut these into cubes, maybe. Oh man, all right. Alright, so I'm going to wrestle with this, and then we'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I've got my sourdough cubes here. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Suckers were hard to cut. All right, and I'm gonna toss them with some olive oil and a healthy shake of Italian seasoning and black pepper. And some sea salt. And we're gonna shake these babies up. Ah! And then we're gonna stick them in the oven for, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes in 375, and they should be good as you get at a normal restaurant. Yay! All right, so we're gonna set up our bowl for our Caesar salad. I already ripped up some romaine, and now we're going to take the ribs out of the kale because they are harsh. So just want to take this like kind of spine off of it, because if you're eating it raw, it's very tough and it does not taste great. So we're just going to get rid of him. Get all the leafy parts off. Thank you. We don't want this guy right here. We do not like, so we don't put him in there. All right, most of these little pieces look fine. We're trying to secede from the union over here. He wants to go in the bowl. Alright, so we're waiting on our croutons to kind of crisp up, and then we'll toss them in with our salad here and our yummy homemade Caesar dressing. Yum! Alright, now I'm going to cut up some little grape tomatoes to put on our flatbreads. Alright, so we're going to add in our Caesar dressing and our newly out of the oven croutons. Yum! And we're going to make this bangin' Caesar salad. Alright, so my chicken just came out of the oven. I'm going to slice it up. And then we're going to put it on these flatbread babies and stick them back in the oven for a few minutes to make them all nice and yummy. All right, so I just took these babies out of the oven, and man, it is 2020, and I'm really disappointed that they haven't invented smell-o-vision yet, because this smells amazing. So, sorry you can't smell it. We're gonna plate it up and then cut it up with a pizza cutter, and then Dom's gonna eat it, and I'm gonna eat it. Yay! Thanks for cooking with me. Bye!